Hello everyone.
Hello.
So this is Yanis. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to spend a nice evening. But first, you need something very important. You need a battery like my one or power station. So this is Vivo one. If you want to have the same one, I will put the link in the description, and you can also use the discount code. So yeah, it's very useful, and if you are doing this kind of activities like camping or anything you want to do outdoors, camping, going to the beach, anything, really anything, if you have this, you will do loads of stuff, guys. So yeah, so I let you watch this video until the end and enjoy it. So maybe you are wondering what I'm doing in the forest. Let me show you something. So when I show you the projector, a white sheet, a battery, and also my phone, and this stick, what you are thinking about? I will ask Yanis. Yanis, I will ask you in French, and you can, and then I will translate. Quand je te montre un drap blanc, un projecteur, une batterie et des bâtons, à quoi tu réfléchis? À quoi tu penses?
Un film.
Un film.
Des commentaires, par exemple.
Okay, so I just asked Yanis. I said, when you see that, what are you thinking about? He said, maybe you're gonna set up something so we can watch a film. So Yanis is right, guys. I'm gonna make a frame with this woods here, using this white sheet, and then I'm going to use the battery to have power, to have electricity, and I'm gonna use this projector to project anything I want, Netflix, YouTube, whatever I want. So let's do it. So I need to put them together to make a frame. Voilà. Oh. Slapen, hè? Oh, kort, hè? Oh, hapa, dit is het. Ja, dat is het. Oh, van Turkije. Dit is toch? Arabia. So guys, the frame is ready, as you can see. So this is will be our screen for tonight. We're gonna show you how it gonna works. And here we need to set up our chairs and maybe hammocks. So let's go. So it's getting dark. We need some lights. So we have the projector here, the light, the big light, and we have our battery. So let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice. I can see you, Enes. Okay. Now we need to plug everything. We need to plug this and then yes. Look at that, guys. I need just to set it up. So guys, nearly done. I need just to do some setting on the phone to connect the Chromecast to my Wi-Fi, and then we're gonna put on the screen something. So guys, I nearly finished with the setting. Just waiting for my screen. Tack, tack, tack. Come on. Ah, look at that. It's done. Now I need to put something on the screen, like YouTube or maybe Netflix or film or something like that. So wait. So guys, my configuration is working. I just put YouTube. I don't want to put Netflix because of the copyright maybe. So now I'm gonna search myself and I will go to
If you take a flight
Oh.
from Paris
Look at that, guys.
and you head south to you will land in Algeria, in one of the northern cities.
Wow, it works, guys.
Algeria.
So everything is working, guys. We are watching my video at this moment, so we also can put Netflix or Amazon or anything else, but for the copyright, guys, I need to be sure about that. So this is my video that I filmed in Algeria. You can go and watch it on my channel. It's one of my best video and I really enjoyed the trip. So yeah, guys, we are having a very calm and nice evening, me and my friend Yanis, and I am very happy because I make it happen this. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget, if you like my battery, I'm gonna put the link in the description, and also the code to have 5% discount. So see you next one. So we just finished our trip here. So it's working really good, guys, and we are having a wonderful time. Show them.